Dear students, I hope you're all doing okay, and I hope you're healthy and safe. I will give you guys a quick video on how to use Zoom in order to join our class lectures. I will go over the PowerPoints over Zoom the same way I do in class. Some of the things, such as our activities and group work and things like that, we obviously won't be able to replicate, but we will do the best we can. You will still have time to ask questions and work on homework in class or during class time over your computer, and I can help you whenever you get stuck, just like I do in class. So first thing is that I will be sending, I will include a link in this email. Please save that link. I'll also put up the link in my Open Math. That link is all you need to join me on Zoom every single time. So this is a link. You would either click on it or copy and paste it, and it'll take you to a page that's going to ask you to open Zoom. You might have to download Zoom and install it, which I've already done, so it's not asking me to do it. In my case, I'm simply going to open Zoom. Once you click on that, you'll also be asked to, just put your name. So you can use your own name or you can use a guest name. It's up to you. In my case, I've already done all that. So I click on Zoom. And once I do, you can see my screen, which I have running on my other laptop. So this is this is how the PowerPoints will be shown to you. Now, during the lecture, you guys will be able to ask questions. So there's a little chat button at the bottom, which you can chat. You can also raise your hand. So you can raise your hand. You can say go slower, go faster, things like that. And at some point, you will be able to work on homework during class. And once you have a question, all you have to do is you have to click on share screen, and I will be able to see what your screen looks like. And then I can help you with the question, just like I do in class. On the first day, it'll probably take some time to get all the kinks worked out. I haven't used Zoom myself ever because I don't really teach online. I don't like teaching online, but we got to do what we got to do. So be patient with me on the first day, but we'll make the best of the situation. Okay. If you have any questions, send me an email. Otherwise, test out Zoom before. I'll send you a link to create an account, or just download it and start it before class time. All right. See you guys soon. Take care.